So coming into the suite, you have your living room space. So over here, you do have a sectional couch if you've got extra guests. These are your views from the living room area. So you can see the check-in and basically the airport. Across from your sectional couch is your work desk shared TV space. And here is your bed area. So you've got your king bed with your lamps on both sides. Across from your sectional couch, you have a wet bar space. Coming into the bathroom, you have dual vanity sinks, the his and hers. Across, you have a spa jet tub. So if you want to get your fizz on, you've got that. That's the short form tour. Now for all of those who want to see the full tour of this suite, let's get to the video. What's going on, everybody? Today we are at MGM Grand, gonna do a tour of the Tower Spa Suite in room 13339 on the 13th floor. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into the suite, when you come in, you've got your entryway. Immediately to the left, you have a connecting door. So if you were to get a room to connect to this suite, that would be your access point. And then right next to the connecting door, you've got your full body mirror so that you can check yourself out before you hit the strip. Got to make sure you stay fresh. Now we come into the suite and this is your living room space. And the first thing I noticed that was pretty odd to me was this big light right here. Now I'm gonna come around here so y'all can see this real quick, because this looks like a production light, like you about to do some type of real movie here, some Hollywood type style filming. And you just have this little cable that you can step on and step off. But I was like, what kind of filming they got going on in here? It looked like Hollywood folks coming in here doing some type of Hollywood movies. Makes me scratch my head. But anyway, we're in the living room space. As you see here, you have a sectional couch. So if you've got guests, they do have a sectional couch to sit on. Also, they'll be able to see the TV, and there is a pull-out sleeper sofa bed. So if you need an extra bed, you do have that available. Obviously, you got your ottoman here. Then you have an extra chair. So we'll come over here and check out the view from this part by the living room. So this is like your, I guess, not strip view, but the city view. You can see MGM there. This is the actual check-in entrance. And then there's your view there headed over to the airport and everyone's favorite oil over there. So across from your living room space, this is your work desk area, and there's a shared swivel TV. So as you see, if you were in the living room, easily swivelable, no difficulty with that. You've got your TV here, and then you have a connectivity panel. So if you want to hook up some media, or if you want to charge things, you have a regular outlet charging as well as alternative hookups. And then here's your desk here. So if you do need to do some work, that convenient connectivity panel is there. So we'll come over to the other side, and as you see, this is the bedroom space. So you've got your king size bed here. Nice comfortable king bed and the classic MGM design above. So you know you're at MGM. So if you were in the bed, of course you could just swivel the TV around, not make sure I don't break nothing. And then down here below you have some drawers. So if you need storage, you got drawers all the way down for storage space. And then these are just the continued views. So I mean, the views are really nice. You know, get some relaxation and maybe see some airplanes come in and out. And then over on this side of the bed, you have a iHome clock radio, but you do have a fast charging device. So if you do want to charge your devices, you can sit it on top of there. It charges Android and iOS, and then you just have standard outlet charging on the lamp. Bedside here, that's just your drawer, but your in-room safe, I was actually trying to figure out where it was in here, but it's actually next to the bed. So if you want to lock up your valuables, the in-room safe is bedside on this side of the bed. And then on the other side of the bed, I'm not even really going to go over there, but you just have the room phone, and then you have a couple extra drawers. So you do have a outlet charging port on each side of the bed if you and your significant other may need one, or your partner. Y'all can both charge your devices. This is the closet, so you have your iron and ironing board, and then your luggage rack is in there. The light is right here, by the way, in case you're wondering, because it was confusing me. Now, before we go into the bathroom, this is your mini bar space. So y'all already know, if you grab it off the sensor bar, it'll charge your room. You also have your ice bucket and cups. And then this is the stock mini bar. So if you want to get some drinks and some late night activities going on, you just grab them out the fridge. But there is not an empty mini refrigerator in this room, which is unfortunate. Seems to be an MGM thing. And then more storage space over there. Now, coming into the bathroom, this is actually a nice bathroom. So you come into the left, you have your dual vanity sinks, his and hers. Gonna stay dual vanity, not dual. But there's your sinks, and then you have a mirror above each sink. You also on the wall have a separate vanity mirror, so if you want to glamourify yourself, y'all already know that's there. On the other side of this pillar is the toilet, so it's not a water closet, but this is just your toilet, so it's just on the other side of the pillar. Now, this is probably the highlight of this suite, is the spa suite. This is a jetted tub. It's a really nice sized tub. Definitely a one person, depending on who you're here with. Maybe you can get another person in there, but it's the jetted tub. It's really nice. And then behind this door is your walk-in shower. So good size walk-in shower, classic MGM marble tiling. And then you have your dispensers for your shampoo, body wash, and conditioner if you choose to do so. I know some people feel some type of way about it, but those options are available for you. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.
What up, say? One time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. Yeah. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals. Did it all by myself, I don't need nothing. Dropped 100 songs, I'ma keep coming. Remember times they wouldn't reply, now they all hit me like they need something. Labels hit me, now they see something, but I told them all, you ain't seen nothing. I've been putting on the work, and if you ain't sawing with me, you ain't read nothing. How it is, I don't make the calls. Gas it up, shit about to blow, make a million. I got a million flows, I'm a million shit with a million goals. Time ticking, now I hear it, dog. I don't say it, but I seen it all. Seen a post and I seen a hate, so when it hit me now, I ignore the calls. No time for it, just being honest. Way back, I said I got it. Same guy, same shit, nothing changed. Set the pockets, money came, I got the profits. Bet it all, put it on us. In the past, I said I'm next, but I'm here now, I was being modest. 1 time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deal. 1 time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals.